Hey there! Welcome to the Petter AI Hustle channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use VideoGen, not only if you're a total beginner, but also if you want to supercharge your results with its advanced features. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or an online entrepreneur, VideoGen is your go-to sidekick for saving time and slashing production costs. Have you ever seen features like this? You can change your video's aspect ratio to 9:16, 1:1, or 16:9 in just a few clicks. Plus, you can seamlessly jump between scenes within each segment of your video, like this, or even like this. Pretty simple, right? And here's the game changer. You can translate an entire video into over 70 languages with just 3 clicks.
Relax, and let's enjoy this journey together.
All that's left to do is sit back and let VideoGen work its magic. For example, switch to Japanese.
皆さんこんにちは。ようこそ。今日はここに来てくださって本当に嬉しいです。初めて参加される方、もう長くご参加いただいている方、もう皆さんのご参加に心から感謝しています。すむまらしい幾日を過ごされていることを願っており、新しくてワクワクすることに挑戦する準備ができていることを願っています。皆さんの参加はとても大切ですし、この瞬間を共にできることを嬉しく思います。どうぞリラックスしてこのミーを一緒に楽しみましょう。
Switch to Portuguese.
Olá a todos, sejam bem-vindos. Estou realmente feliz por vocês estarem aqui hoje. Agradeço de coração a participação de todos, tanto dos que estão participando pela primeira vez, quanto dos que já estão conosco há muito tempo. Espero que estejam tendo um dia maravilhoso e que estejam prontos para enfrentar algo novo e empolgante. A participação de vocês é muito importante e fico feliz por podermos compartilhar este momento juntos. Por favor, relaxem e vamos aproveitar esta jornada juntos.
Are you ready to turn your craziest ideas into videos in just a blink? VideoGen is the game changer you've been looking for. From John, a 20-year-old YouTuber who boosted his views by 200% in just 2 weeks, to marketers at A&B Company saving 70% on production costs, millions of creators are obsessed with VideoGen. You could be next. Forget hiring crews, forget rendering overnight. With VideoGen, just type your prompt in plain English, pick your style, and hit create. In 30 seconds to 2 minutes, you'll have a fully polished professional video in your hands. Want a YouTube unboxing, trendy Instagram reels, a TikTok tutorial? VideoGen does it all. Thousands of stock clips, licensed music, and seamless transitions are at your fingertips. Just drag and drop or let the AI auto-suggest. And voiceover? Say goodbye to Mike Studios and lifeless reads. VideoGen offers over 200 hyper-realistic AI voices in 50-plus languages with spot-on local accents. Choose a warm female tone, an energetic male voice, or a lively narrator. Your video will feel as professional as a big studio production. Worried about cost? Real-world data shows VideoGen can slash your production budget by up to 90% compared to traditional methods. Instead of spending tens of thousands, you'll spend just a few hundred to a few thousand per video. And the time savings? Hours to minutes. Don't take my word for it. Here's Jane Doe. This tool blew my mind. Created a pro video in 1 minute. And Marketer Pro. Thanks to VideoGen, I hit my campaign deadline, and the clients went nuts. So what are you waiting for? Head to videogen.io and claim your 7-day free trial. No credit card, no long-term commitment. Explore every feature, feel the power of AI, and only upgrade when you're completely sold. VideoGen, the AI video generator for every creator, every business, and every idea. Start your limitless creative journey today. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing AI tool called VideoGen, a powerful AI video generator that helps you create short, professional videos with voiceovers, visuals, and subtitles, all from just a single line of text. It's especially perfect if you're making YouTube shorts, doing affiliate marketing, posting on TikTok, or running a faceless YouTube channel to earn money passively online. Using VideoGen is super simple, just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Input your content. Head over to app.videogen.io and log in, or sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. Next, just type in the content you want. For example, top 3 AI tools to help you make money online in 2025. Then hit Generate and let the AI do its magic. Step 2. Customize your video. Here's where the fun begins. You can choose from over 200 AI voiceovers in more than 40 different languages. Adjust the speed, pick your visuals and background music. VideoGen makes suggestions automatically based on your script. You can also fine-tune the text, trim scenes, or add subtitles to make your video just the way you want it. Step 3. Export and share. Once you're happy with the result, simply hit Export. Your video will be ready in MP4 format, or you can copy a shareable link and upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform you use. Here are a few quick tips to help you get started like a pro. Use a clear structure in your prompt, like introduction plus 3 benefits plus call to action. Choose an expressive voice if you're making story-driven or motivational content. And if you're new to editing, feel free to use the ready-made presets provided by VideoGen. They save tons of time. So who is VideoGen perfect for? Creators running faceless YouTube channels. Affiliate marketers who need fast, high-quality content. Busy people who want to publish videos weekly without spending hours editing. Small business owners looking to showcase their product or service with engaging videos. Now let's talk about the big benefits. You don't need any video editing skills. Each video takes just 2 to 5 minutes to create. And yes, you can even batch create viral content at scale. Of course, like any tool, there are a few small limitations. Sometimes the AI may choose visuals that don't exactly match your message. If you want super detailed custom edits, you'll need to put in a bit more manual work. But overall, this tool is a game changer. So, are you ready to start creating professional quality videos from just a few lines of text? Head over to app.videogen.io. Try creating your first video and see the difference AI can make in your content journey. If you're ready to build your faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more walkthroughs like this. In my next video, I'm comparing VideoGen to another viral AI tool that completely failed on me, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.